I'm Vishal Pregraj. I'm a P&I correspondent working for Topic P&I Correspondence. We are following SAMSA's directive in conducting an aerial surveillance in search of missing containers that fell off the CMA CGM Belém. The search area is south of Durban. We're conducting a grid search offshore. The reason for the search is to try and locate any containers that might be floating around that could be hazardous to other passing vessels or to the environment as well. There was 99 containers that fell off the vessel. There's a lot of damaged containers still on the vessel, so I believe that most of these damaged containers will be discharged from the vessel and then re-stowed on board, and then once that's done, then the vessel can continue her voyage.
Coming back to the search here, you've been at it for an hour. What is your observation so far?
The weather's calm, the sea conditions calm, visual is good, visibility is good, sorry. No containers sighted just yet. We are hoping to find something.
Well, you still have another 2 hours.
Yes. So hopefully we do come across something.
If you were to spot any, what would be the next step?
Well, we will firstly plot the location, and then we have a team on standby to possibly recover that container. One will be good enough. We're hoping to find at least one, as long as we find something. But personally, I believe that most of these containers have already sunk and sitting on the seabed, because it takes something for it, something floatable, or to keep the container up, So.
And given the weather of the last few days, naturally.
The weather was a bit rough the last couple of days, but well, we're just trying, We've got a flight plan that was created by a team. We'll be following that flight plan based on the drift patterns of these containers. We understand that the containers fell off south of Richards Bay. So, based on the drift pattern that was given to us, containers should be around this area by now, drifting south.
Sorry, what area is this again?
This is the south of Durban, south coast, Port Edwards, Port St. John, the Wild Coast.
Wonderful. Sir, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Name is Mbali Mbonambi. I come from SAMSA Devon office. I am a ship surveyor. I am out here looking for containers correction that fell off the coast of Richards Bay of a vessel from CMA CGM. So the reason I'm out here is because I am a duty surveyor for the Durban office. Yes, the incident occurred in Richards Bay. So this is a different jurisdiction. Then we assisted the Richards Bay office with the search because it took off from Durban. Being out here with the search, the weather is very good. The seas are calm. It's good visibility as well. And the reason we do this as SAMSA is because we have an interest in clean seas and safe ships. In clean seas and safe ships, yes. So one other reason is we are interested in maritime safety because the drifted containers could cause hazard to other vessels during navigation. So if we do sight and spot some, it is really important that it is the position is marked and it's broadcast to all the people, or rather vessels that are navigating in the coast, so that they keep clear and therefore we avoid incidents going forward. On my right. Yeah. Are they 16, 17, 18? Yeah. Yes.